Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 7. In the previous video we have answered for part A physics of paper 7, that is part 1 key answers. Now we are moving for part B chemistry. This is part 2. So let us answer for chemistry part. So the first question in chemistry is, does HCl, NaOH, NaCl will produce ions without water? So does HCl, NaOH or NaCl will produce ions without water? So this is fifth main, eighth question. So answer is yes. By the dissociation of ions H. Next, let us move for the next question, that is ninth question. What happens for concentration of OH minus ions of basic solution when some base is added? So when we add some base, so definitely OH minus ion concentration increases. So now let us move for the next question, that is sixth main, that is the 10th question. What is the range of pH? So let us write what is the range of pH. So pH ranges from 0 to 14. So now let us move for the 11th question. Name the salts used in the following situations. First one, used as an disinfectants. So for this one, for the first one A, the right answer is bleaching powder. So bleaching powder is used as an disinfectant. So bleaching powder. Then the second question is used to make surface smooth. So what we have to use to make the surface smooth? POP, plaster of Paris. Then third one, dash is used as an which is used as an antacid. So antacid ಆಗಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? So we are using antacid as baking soda. So baking soda is used as an antacid. Then the fourth one is so used for soft hard water. So dash is used for softening hard water, that is washing soda. So like this we have to answer question number 11. Now let us move for question number 12. What happens if too much of acid is produced in the stomach? So what will happen if too much of acid is produced in the stomach? So let us answer this question. This is question number 12. It leads to acidity which gives irritation, pain and discomfort. So due to acidity it gives irritation. Due to acidity we will get irritation, pain and we feel discomfort. And what is the remedy? So remedy is to take antacid, to take antacid like milk of magnesia, that is magnesium chloride. So that is the remedy for this situation. So let us move for the question number 13. So in the question number 13 they have given the pH values of 4 solution A, B, C and D are 4, 13, 8, 9 respectively. Arrange them in the increasing order of their hydrogen ion concentration. Which solution among has the strong acidic property? Explain what happens if our mouth contain the pH of solution A. So now let us answer one by one. So there are 4 solution A, B, C and D. Solution A 4 pH, solution B 13, solution C 8, solution D 9. Arrange them in the increasing order of their hydrogen ion concentration. Among these four, B has less hydrogen concentration. So B, then after B you have to write down D, after D, C, after C you have to write E. So this is one question finished. Which solution among them has strong acidic property? Among these four, which will have the strong acidic property? Solution A will have strong acidic property. So solution A, which has pH 4, that will be more acidic. Then one more question is there. Explain what happens if our stomach contain, explain what happens if our mouth contain the pH of solution A. If the mouth contain the pH of solution A, so acidic property increases, which leads to tooth decay. So ಹುಳುಕಲ್ಲಾಗಕ್ಕೆ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is what we have to answer for 13th question. Now let us move for the next question. Name the gas released when an acid reacts with metallic carbonate. Write the chemical equation of the reaction when the gas is passed through lime water. What is the color of the precipitation obtained in this reaction? So now let us answer one by one. So this is 14th question. Name the gas released when an acid reacts with metal carbonate. So when acid reacts with metal carbonate, it forms salt, water, and releases a gas called carbon dioxide. So CO2 is released. So carbon dioxide is released. Next, write the chemical equation of the reaction when the gas is passed through lime water. So ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ CaOH ಟೇಕನ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ it is passed through this lime water, carbon dioxide is passed, it forms CaCO3, calcium CaCO3 plus H2O. So this is called as, it forms a salt called, it forms an insoluble salt called calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate is a insoluble salt. Then what is the color of the precipitate obtained in this reaction? What is the color of the precipitation obtained in this reaction? So the PPT obtained in this reaction is white PPT. So white PPT is obtained, and that white PPT is insoluble in water. Since that white PPT is called as calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate is the white PPT that formed during when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. That is, it is called as lime water test. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಗ್ಯಾಸು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, so we are going for lime water test. So by this we have answered all the questions related to part B chemistry of practice paper number 7. So in the next video we are going to answer for part C biology of practice paper number 7. So thanks for everyone, those who are watching my YouTube channel. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.